Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the password of your Amazon account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by heading over to amazon.com in a web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. When you are logged in, click on the Accounts and Lists button from the top right of the screen. Then click on Your Account from the drop-down menu. Now click on Login and Security. On the next page here, you want to click on the Edit button after Password. Now you just need to type your current password into the first text box, followed by your desired new password twice. Hit Save Changes and that's it, your new password is now set. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.